All right, when you come into LaunchADS and you're ready to run your first ad, you can do it in multiple ways. One of the ways you can do it is by starting right here, what we advertise today, and you can choose multiple platforms that you're going to create this ad for. So I'm going to, because I really only connected Meta, I did connect Google as well, but I'm just going to do it for Meta. And I'm going to say end of year special, $100 off business builders success. All right, and then I can go and click select your media, and I can click on this, and we should come over here and see the media that I have created. We can come over and we can use text to image to generate an image. Let's do this. I'm going to say middle-aged man working in his home office. Inspiring workspace, and we'll just say it like that. And then we're gonna, what text should be shown on the image? Build your business and thrive together. And we click generate. Again, you can see at the top right there, it says use short text, clear visuals, think like an ad or social post, avoid long paragraphs, focus on one strong message. So from this tool right here, as we're getting ready to create the ad, we can start generating images to use for it. And there it is. Let's take a look at it. We can go into the editor. Let's go click on our elements here. We could add the Business Builders logo in the bottom right. So we're going to save that and close it. And we're going to click on it and use it as a 9:16 image and save the changes. So we've got some images, a couple of images that we have. We're going to confirm this. And we've got everything set here, confirm, and once we confirm that, we can click generate. All right, now you're going to look down here at the bottom. It's going to say creating your ad creative. Reading your website, so it's going out to Business Builder Success to learn more about what it can put in the ad. Understanding your business, generating targeting based on what it is learning about me, and writing ad copy and finalizing creatives. It's going to go through these steps. Let's go to advertise, and we're going to click on Meta, and you're going to notice that 2 of them say pixel required. So unless you have a pixel set up and on your site, the conversion and sales won't work. But let's just do a traffic ad just so you can see how to create this. So we're going to say save, and I've confused my brand a bit because I have Fostering Our Future as the page and I'm doing Business Builders. I should have chosen a different page in this example, but we're going to get a little bit of a guide here. Choose the campaign goal. Just type in what you want to promote. Add your ad media. Choose your ad media. Preview and make changes to your creative assets, your ad copy, and your ad format. Set your targeting. And this should, by the way, only show up one time. Add your daily budget. And then we're going to turn on optimize for me. This setting right here, if you're new to advertising or if you're really not a professional ads manager, I would always turn this on. This is really the benefit of using LaunchADS.ai. If you're very particular about how you run your ads and you're just using it to generate more copy or generate options, you might want to leave this off. But for the rest of us, we're going to turn that on. And then we have a campaign name, and you can see here that this one is listed as Fostering Our Future. Obviously, that's because I put Fostering Our Future in as the page. This is going to be a traffic ad, and we're going to use an image. So and if you wanted to put a date on it, you could as well. We could say date. We could add one more that is the date. And that's it. We're going to say next, and we're going to launch the campaign. Done. All right. So let's go up now and take a look at what we've got. So we've got end of year special, $100 off Business Builders, and we're going to go over here on the left. We're going to select images for the ad. We're going to grab this one, and that's a video. This one is pretty cool. And we're going to X. We've got some images now for our ad. And next we can go down and look at our primary text. You see where it says ready to elevate your business in 2025. It's written this copy for me, and that is showing up at the top of this ad. You can see it up here. This is just one of them. It created 4 different versions. It's going to combo those with what is also called the headlines, which is what shows up at the bottom of the ad. So we've got 4 of those that it's going to use. And of course we have 3 images. So the combination of that, if we go click add combinations, you can see that it's a combination with different headlines, with different ad copy, and with different images. And obviously, anytime you're looking at this, I'm cruising through it, but anytime you can choose what you do or don't want, and you can remove any aspects. But what we're doing is we're giving LaunchADS an opportunity to create a large cross-section of all of these different pieces and put them all out there. And then LaunchADS is going to optimize it for us by saying which ones are performing the best. So the call to action is learn more. We can work more with our targeting here. That's a more detailed process. We can change what specific website we're going to when they click the link, and we can set our budget. So I'm going to say, I'm going to start this ad at $5 a day, and I'm going to say optimize it for me. I already changed some of these, and that's it. I actually have an ad that is set up now that is going to give me 1 to 6 clicks a day, $2 to $5 a day. If we go weekly, you can see the number of the reach that Facebook is estimating that it's going to get. And that's it. We've set up our ad. We click launch campaign. Once you click that, it's going to ask you one more time, are you sure you want to launch this? You click this, and once that's done, this ad gets submitted to your platform, and the platform has to approve the ad, and then the ad starts running. Once the ads are running, you'll be able to come back and look at the analytics for the ads that you're running. You can learn more about analytics at our YouTube channel, or in the Facebook group, or in the training that is listed as we talked about in the very first video when we go in here to resources, and you can click this video right here, viewing ad results. I hope this is helpful. Start running those ads, start getting those sales, and make sure you tune in when we do live Q&As. You can find recordings of those on the YouTube channel. Make sure you join the Facebook group, and I'll see you around.